Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here, bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today I just wanted to make a quick video on tax write-offs and talk a little bit about what I've been up to recently, and also talk about the crypto long-term outlook. So real quick, if you guys haven't followed my Instagram page, check that out. It's N2S_capital. I'm looking to kind of rebrand this and start posting like some more motivational financial content. So let's get going right into the video. So today I wanted to talk about what is a tax write-off, and I want to talk about the benefits of it and let people understand what are the benefits if you have a business or an LLC, and how are tax write-offs going to benefit you moving forward. So a write-off is a deduction in the value of earnings by the amount of an expense or loss. When businesses file their income tax return, they're able to write off expenses incurred to run the business and subtract them from their revenue to determine their taxable income. For example, if you spent money on dinner to take out a client, a portion of that expense acts as a write-off against your business income because the cost of dinner is a business-related expense. So I'm going to talk about this a little bit later in the video, but how tax write-offs work is they lower an individual or business's taxable income. So the perfect example is, imagine your business earns $100,000 in revenue, but you spent $50,000 on payroll, utilities, rent, inventory, and other operating costs. When you file your income tax return, you report the income and expenses, and as a result of tax write-offs, your taxable business income is only $50,000. So if you're spending $50,000 on payroll, utilities, rent, inventory, and all that, your taxable income is lowered by literally 50% in this case because you're only making $100,000. Or another example would be if you're making $100,000 in revenue and you're spending 10 on payrolls, utility, equipment, etc. Your taxable income is going to be down to 90,000. So this can really benefit you as taxes can get really high, especially if you're a trader or whatever you might do. Entrepreneurially, taxes can get pretty high, and this is a way to kind of make that a little less at the end of the year. So these are some top tax write-offs for self-employed. I'm just going to go through them real quick. IRAs, business use of home or dwelling. So I work from home, so I can write off different housing costs, electric, different utilities like that. Automobile expenses, if you're using your automobile for work, which I do as well. Your depreciation of property or equipment. So I just bought a new computer, so I'm going to write that off. New monitors, any other equipment. Educational expenses. I also just got my real estate license, so that's what I've been up to as well recently. I still am working on that actually. And other areas to explore. There's a bunch of different deductions that you can look into that. If you guys have any questions about starting up your own business or tax write-offs in general, I'm just trying to inform you guys. I'm definitely not an expert, but I'd love to talk to you guys about it. So yeah, guys, I've definitely just been really busy with traveling and everything recently, and I want to really focus on pushing out content. So if you guys have any ideas, please post it in the comments below. Maybe a podcast, different sort of collaborations, and just maybe even branch out into a few different fields. As well as that, I just wanted to go over the crypto long-term outlook as far as what Bitcoin's looking like right now. So we just broke below 8,400 recently, earlier today, which was a pretty bearish sign. So looks like we could be coming down. We're still riding above the EMA, but just barely here. Looks like the first support that we'd maybe want to look at would be around the 7,800 level, and if we fall below that, the next support could be somewhere right around here, where this previous support was anywhere from 62, 63 to about 68, I would say. So look for those two key levels if we're coming down here. As far as looking on the long-term standpoint, if we do have a bounce, the next resistance would be around 10K, it looks like. So keep an eye out for these levels. And like I said before, definitely let me know in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, follow all my social accounts below and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, I'll be down to try different things, new video ideas, etc. I really want to push out some content, so any feedback would be greatly appreciated. Hope you guys have a good one.